Welcome friends, capture smooth, cinematic videos with the top 6 cell phone stabilizers, perfect for vlogging, travel, and content creation. Starting. Number 1. FUNSNAP Capture 5 Gimbal Stabilizer. The FUNSNAP Capture 5 Gimbal Stabilizer is a powerful 3-axis smartphone gimbal designed for smooth, professional quality video recording. Featuring magnetic AI face/body tracking, a detachable fill light, remote control, and a 500G payload, it delivers stable footage for vlogging, live streaming, and content creation. Compatible with Android phones and iPhone 15-16 Pro Max, its long-lasting battery and advanced anti-shake technology make it an excellent tool for creators on the go. Number 2. GoPro Fluid Gimbal Stabilizer. The GoPro Fluid Pro AI 3-axis gimbal stabilizer is a versatile handheld stabilizer built for GoPro cameras, smartphones, and select compact cameras. It features AI subject tracking, 360 degrees panoramic rotation, an integrated fill light, wireless camera control, and device charging, delivering smooth, professional quality footage for vlogging, travel, and content creation. Number 3. AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer. The AOCHUAN Smart G1 3-axis gimbal stabilizer is a professional handheld gimbal built for GoPro Hero 12/11/10/9/8, DJI Osmo Action, Insta361R, and Sony RX0 cameras. Featuring 360 degrees rotation, advanced 3-axis anti-shake stabilization, multiple shooting modes, and a 6,400 mAh battery that delivers up to 20 hours of runtime, it captures ultra-smooth, cinematic footage for vlogging, travel, and action sports. Its lightweight design, OLED display, and Bluetooth camera control make it a reliable companion for content creators on the go. Number 4. hohem iSteady Stabilizer. The hohem iSteady M6 kit is a premium 3-axis smartphone gimbal designed for creators who want smooth, professional quality videos. It features an AI vision tracker with a magnetic CCT/RGB fill light, iSteady 7.0 anti-shake stabilization, 360 degrees inception mode, a 400G, 0.88 pounds, payload, and up to 18 hours of battery life with reverse charging. Its 0.91-inch OLED display, gesture control, and compatibility with most Android phones and iPhones make it an excellent choice for vlogging, live streaming, and mobile filmmaking. Number 5. AOCHUAN Stabilizer. The AOCHUAN Smart X2 is a portable 3-axis smartphone gimbal designed for smooth, cinematic video on iPhone and Android devices. It features a built-in 7.8-inch extension rod, OLED display, advanced anti-shake stabilization, and multiple intelligent shooting modes, making it ideal for TikTok, YouTube, vlogging, live streaming, and travel. Its lightweight foldable design, 8 to 10 hour battery life, and support for face/object tracking provide creators with stable, professional quality footage wherever they go. Number 6. AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer. The AOCHUAN Smart G1 3-axis gimbal stabilizer is a handheld stabilizer designed for GoPro Hero 12/11/10/9/8, DJI Osmo Action, Insta361R, and Sony RX0 action cameras. It features 360 degrees rotation, advanced 3-axis anti-shake stabilization, an OLED display, Bluetooth camera control, and a powerful 6,400 mAh battery that provides up to 20 hours of runtime. Lightweight and portable, the Smart G1 is an excellent choice for capturing smooth, cinematic footage during vlogging, travel, sports, and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.